Hello, this is your math doctor, and today I'm going to be solving mhm, of the form ax² plus bx plus c equal to 0. And here's our question. We're going to be solving this question. 2x² plus 9x plus 9 equal to 0. That is having this form where a, b, and c are constant. They are what? They are constant. Now, we have 2 as a constant, we have 9 as a constant, and we have another 9 as a constant. How should we how should we then address a quadratic equation of this kind? So let's write solution. So first, we'll bring our equation down, which is what? 2x² plus 9x plus 9 equal to what? Equal to 0. Right? So the next thing we're going to be doing is stepping. So step 1. Step 1. Step 1. Step 1. What's the first step we're going to be doing now? Box. Two x² times 9 equals what? 18x². I hope you are seeing. Sorry to have used yellow. So I don't think I will use yellow again because yellow is not visible as it ought to. So the next thing we're going to be doing is what? We'll find the factor, or we can also say the product of 18. The factor of 18. Factor of 18. Factors of 18x². So factors of 18 will be the factors. The factors of 18 are what? They are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and what's the last one? So comment the last one. Comment the last one so that we will move. So step 2 now. Step 2. Step 2. In this step 2 now, what I'm going to ask, find two numbers. Find two numbers. Find two factors of 18 that the sum will be equal to 9 and product equal to what? 9. Okay, so when you do that, two numbers are what? 6 and they are what? 6 and what? And 3. Look at it. 6 times 3 is equals to what? 18. Why 6 plus 3 is equals to what? 9. So we are good to what? We are good to go. Someone comment good to go. Comment good to go. Alright, so we are good to go. Now we'll begin the solving proper now. So step 3, we'll substitute this 6 into our equation. Step 3 now, we'll substitute this 6 and 3 into our equation. So we'll now see we have 2 what? We have 2x² plus 6x plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. Now we'll now put them into bracket. We'll now say bracket open 2x² plus 6x close bracket, open another bracket, 3x plus 9 close bracket equals to what? 0. Then we'll now be having what? We'll now be having another one. We'll now be saying okay, we are breaking this particular bracket now. We are breaking those brackets. So we'll now say 2x open bracket x plus 3. So if we say this 2 now times x, it will be 2x². So and if we say 2x times 3, then it will be now what? 6x. I hope you understand what just happened. So plus, we'll now say 3, we'll not put the x, we'll say 3 open bracket, we'll say 3 open bracket x plus 3. When we say 3 times x, it will give us 3x. 3 times x, it will give us 3x. Y 3 times 3 will give us 9. So equal to what? 0. Then we will now say okay, now what we will now do is that what? We will pick this and this and put them in a bracket. The y will come and still pick one of this. We'll pick one of it. You understand? Now look at it. This is what I'm saying. I said we'll say okay, therefore 2x plus 3, put them in brackets, x plus 3. Yes, so we have this. So the next one we're going to be doing here is looking for what x mean. Okay, so we have what? We have this. We have open brackets 2x plus 3 close bracket, open another bracket, x plus 3. So we can now see 2x plus 3 equal to 0, or x plus 3 equal to 0. We can now say 2x plus 3 equal to 0, or x plus 3 equal to 0, where we will now come and say this 2x equal to minus 3, or x equal to what? Minus 3. Now we will now what? Divide both sides by 2. We will now be having what? 2x all over 2 equal to minus 3 all over 2, or x equal to what? Minus 3. Are you following? Are you following? So from here now we will now see we'll now continue by saying that what? We'll now continue by saying, so this 2 now will eliminate 2. I'm saying that this 2 will eliminate this 2, right? So we'll now be left with what? We'll now be left with x equal to what? Minus 3 all over 2, or x all over or x equal to what? Minus 3. So therefore we'll now be having what? We'll now be having x equal to 1 all over 1 whole number 1 all over 2, or x is equal to what? Minus 3. And this is our answers. Have you learned something? Please drop any question, mathematical question. If you're having any problem with any mathematics question, drop it on the comment section, and I will in my next class I'm going to solve it for you. Drop any question, any topic, assignment question. If it is urgent, contact me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen. Contact me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen if it is urgent. But if it is not urgent, drop it in the question in the comment section below. Drop into your question in the comment section below. Bye. See you next time.